Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best European suppliers and how you can actually find them for your dropshipping business. Factors like product quality, shipping times, return policies, and overall reliability should be weighed when evaluating dropshippers. So I'm going to provide an in-depth look at some of the best EU-based dropshipping suppliers that you can trust to help your e-commerce business thrive. Let's get started. Kicking things off with Spocket. The first EU-based dropshipping supplier I recommend checking out is Spocket. This is one of the fastest growing private companies last year, and they have quickly become one of the most well-known platforms for dropship e-commerce. Some key benefits that Spocket provides include seamless integration with Shopify and other popular e-commerce platforms, and this makes syncing product catalogs and order forwarding extremely easy. Thousands of products to choose from across numerous categories like home and living, electronics, self-care, fitness equipment, and more. Suppliers and products are vetted by Spocket to ensure high quality and reliable order fulfillment, and this gives you confidence when building out your online catalog. The vast majority of suppliers offer fast EU shipping from countries like the UK, France, and Italy. Transit times are generally between 2 to 7 business days. And finally, they have excellent customer service to help resolve any issues with orders, suppliers, or your account. Support is available via live chat, email, and phone. Creating your account with Spocket only takes a few minutes, and then after that you can get started with one of these plans, which start at about $40 per month when billed monthly, or you can even jump straight into the Pro plan when billed yearly and only pay $24 per month. Not to mention that you also get a 14-day free trial to test the platform and see how much benefit you can make from it. Moving on, we have the wholesale supplier BigBuy.eu. BigBuy is an established wholesale supplier and dropshipping service based in the UK. And while they may not have the wide range of products that companies like Spocket boast about, they remain an excellent choice, especially for tech products. Some reasons to consider BigBuy include no membership fees or monthly subscriptions required. You only pay per order fulfilled. You also get wholesale pricing passes and significant savings from leading brands like Sony, Samsung, Apple, Dell, and hundreds more, with average shipping times of 2 to 4 days for most of Europe. Seamless integration with leading e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magneto. They also have plugins for WordPress, PrestaShop, Square, and Lightspeed. And finally, multi-channel support lets you expand sales to eBay, Amazon, social channels, and your own website. BigBuy has been providing inventory and fulfillment services to over 50,000 European retailers for over 20 years. The wholesale pricing they can provide on technology items make them an ideal supplier for online stores focused on electronics, computers, video games, and similar categories. They have one of the highest percentages of EU-based suppliers in their network. Combined with the rapid fulfillment, this makes them a top contender for European dropshipping companies. So if great deals on electronics seem up your alley, then be sure to evaluate BigBuy when finding suppliers. CJ Dropshipping is possibly the world's largest dropshipping company with direct integrations to platforms like Shopify, Wix, and BigCommerce. They provide global ordering and fulfillment options out of China. And while this is not EU specific, they do offer localized European warehouses with faster delivery times combined with very competitive product pricing. Some notable features of CJ Dropshipping include massive product range with over 500 categories from home goods to beauty and makeup supplies, phone accessories, outdoor equipment, health devices, and everything in between. Over 5 million products to select from when building your merchandise catalog, as new items get added daily. You also have optional fulfillment from Poland, Sweden, Germany, Czech Republic, or the UK if you want to advertise faster EU shipping. Transit times range from 1 to 5 days from their European hubs. Their free membership plan lets you try their service risk-free. Pricing remains very affordable even with their premium plan that reduces fulfillment times. So as you can see, CJ Dropshipping offers dropship e-commerce merchants many choices. Global supply chains out of China provide rock-bottom product pricing that boosts profit margins. For European customers demanding faster shipping, strategically placed warehouses inside the EU enable you to market quicker deliveries. And lastly, for this video we have Salehoo. Salehoo has been providing guidance, education, and tools for e-commerce entrepreneurs since 2005. In addition to supplier and product research, they offer training courses, conference events, and community forums that can prove invaluable when starting or improving your online store's performance. Some important benefits that Salehoo offers include directory of over 9,000 pre-vetted suppliers and 2.5 million products to select inventory from. Suppliers are audited to verify legitimacy and performance. Search tool helps easily find products by category or niche. You can filter by crucial factors like the price, availability, location, order, minimums, and all of that. Sources include major manufacturers and wholesalers that offer profitable margin opportunities. So while Salehoo may not have as many dedicated EU suppliers as options like Spocket or BigBuy, their comprehensive guidance for all aspects of running a successful online store makes their membership tremendously valuable. The supplier database, product research tools, special discounts, and community forums give a well-rounded package to accelerate achieving your business goals. And that will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any other questions, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.